What kind of a shop are we in today?
It's a machine shop, so we do all things with metal parts, and we do a lot of precision parts.
Today we are at Alchemy Machining for our next edition of Super Things. So if you were talking to others who either graduated from Crown Point High School or have their own shops, have different businesses, why'd you decide to take on the intern from the high school to have them here in your shop?
Well, I guess I know how I was, and I just wish I had, a lot more, somebody kind of looking out for me to look out, and not just hands-on experience, but also just give me some of that mentoring, So I guess that's more what I was looking for, and I thought in them, I was like, man, I could be a great mentor.
So on a day-to-day, talk to Xander, what he wants me to do for the day, and then I'll kind of just start on that. It varies here and there. Sometimes I'll be cleaning up their jobs, I'll be starting new jobs, or I'll be working our jobs from the day before. Check mine, make sure it's moving at a good speed before I start.
Okay.
But yeah, pretty much all you do is
so which way?
It's just taking a small cut right now. So after that, we'll get a measurement, see where we're at.
You let it go the whole way through?
Usually I do.
What kind of prerequisites, things that you need to have a basis of knowledge as you go into these courses? What are some of those?
Well, at first you need at least basic addition, subtraction. I was pretty advanced in math my whole life, so that helped me out a lot. In all my classes, doing like geometry, Algebra 2 helped a lot with all the CNC machines because it's almost all just graphs. So without, I'd say, Algebra 2, I would not be able to do a lot of CNC work. I learned a lot more here in the shop working with bigger equipment than I do in the school. Because like in the class we work with pretty much smaller stuff. Obviously we don't have as much room as we do here, but there's a lot more like specialty parts here and they have to be perfect for customers.
So you walk across the stage, get your diploma, then what?
Well, I kind of got a couple paths. I might go just into a machining career, but I also want to go into the Air Force and be a machinist for them and hopefully be making stuff for planes. And then eventually once that ends up, I'll go work for a major airline company.
How did you figure out the business side of all of this?
I learned a lot over there at my previous shop, right? So, I mean, if it wasn't getting done as fast as what they, needed to get done, I would just go ahead and take care of it and learn from there hands-on as well. So I learned a lot of the paperwork and, just how to talk to customers, everything else too, right?
Thanks for joining us for another edition of Super Things. We'll catch you next time.